how to enable or turn on Edge panel on Samsung. So if you're using the Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to enable your Edge panel on your Samsung Galaxy device to be able to have access to your predefined application or the default application on the Edge panel, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on or enable Edge panel on Samsung, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings on your Samsung Galaxy phone. On the settings page, you want to scroll down, click on display. Now, under display, just scroll down the page, keep scrolling, then you'll see Edge panel, click on that. Then once you click on the Edge panel, this is what you're going to see. This is the Edge panel and how it's going to look when you turn it on. Now, to turn on the Edge panel, just toggle this on. And then you're going to see panels, click on panels. Here, you want to select the type of panel you want to use on the Edge panel on your Samsung Galaxy device. So if you only want to use application, make sure others are unchecked. And if you want to use apps and smart select this and then hit the back button. Now, with that turned on your Samsung, to use the Edge panel on your Samsung device, just swipe this out like this. Then select the application you want to use. You can also click on this edit button to add more or remove unwanted application from the list. So you can just go ahead, add other application you use often to the Edge panel. So this. And then once you're done, exit the page and then swipe this out like this. You're going to see your Edge panel like this. You can also click on this button here to pop up all the application you have like this. So that is basically how to turn on Edge panel on Samsung. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.